So what I like to do, I'm going to bring over the screen so you can see both what's happening on the front as we start the unit and then what's also happening on the screen. So let me try to drag that over. See if I can get that in frame. Let's turn this thing on. I think I got the screen in frame. Got my keyboard ready. We got everything set up. All of this has led to this moment where we can now finally turn this puppy on. The computer is pretty much ready to be turned on. So we have all of the work we've done up until this point in our previous videos, and now we're going to turn on the proliant G8. Hit the button, watch the BIOS screen. I just put the keyboard here. We have the keyboard plugged in with our little USB guy, and then the mouse as well over here, and then an HDMI cable for the screen. And let's turn it on and just spin this thing up. Here we go. Power button's right here. It'll go from orange to green, and so you know things are working. And then the screen is also gonna do a couple things. So let's just chill, watch. So it's gonna try to boot the operating system or program that's installed. Nothing's gonna be installed, and so we can hit a couple of the different F keys. So F8, F9, F10, 11, and 12. I don't know. I don't know exactly which ones, but each one kind of does its own separate thing. So yeah. So it's about 50% done, 80% done. So you can see all the lights are green, so that's a good sign. Looks like our drives are being recognized. And the switch, yeah, everything's working on the switch. So that's good. So we have the HP load screen. This is going to take you a minute or two to get through, but from there it'll give you a few options. And what I'd like to do is walk through the BIOS. So I don't really know how to explain the BIOS correctly. I guess it's just the operating system for the server itself. So it's just built in. It's really simple. It's like blue on blue. There you go, 96 gigabytes. That's good. Yeah, we got 2 processors. So let's do F9. So we hit F9 and locked it in. We could do F9, F10, or F11. So this is right after powering on the unit. We get the start screen. It gives you a chance to hit the some of the F buttons, and I chose the F9 button. So here we are. Here is our BIOS. So we can kind of take a look. I have to learn a little bit more about everything, but it's nice. Looks like it's showing the system options, which is really cool. So here I can show you how to navigate a little bit. So just the up and down key. Pretty straightforward. And then if you want to go into a certain section, you hit enter. And then again, up and down. I guess enter again? Yeah, there you go. And then you can add some information. I don't really want to change any of this stuff now. If you don't want to be in, you can just hit exit. So, okay. This gets us to our BIOS. So let's take a break. We did a good job. We're here. And then we can walk through each one of these sections separately.